Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got this Baratza Virtuoso grinder with us in shop. And pretty much what was going on is this was not wanting to grind. As you can hear, it turned on right now. When you twist it, it would not do anything at all. So we got it working. Now we're going to test the machine. We're gonna just crank it to 10. I'm gonna grind a little bit, and then we're gonna try to push the settings to show the difference. Now that we got coffee in there, that's what you're looking like. That's at 10. Trying to go a little finer. As you can see, more finer. And then the last test, we're going to try a little coarser. Now with these grinders, you always want to adjust it while it's running. I'm just going to let it finish. And that is really coarse coffee. Yeah, that's about it. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.